Hello lovely people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I've got a very lovely tutorial for you all, which is based on how you can actually use chatgpt to write ebooks in several language forms. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually create and publish ebooks on Amazon KDP in several languages using chatgpt. So without wasting much more time, let's hop into the main tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to ensure you're doing is you want to ensure you've written down the book already in your normal language. Usually our general language around the world is English. So as you can see over here, I have my written script ready, or my written text or ebook already, ChatGPT for newbies, already in my Word document form. Okay, so this is the first thing you want to do. You want to ensure you've written down what your book is going to contain already in your Microsoft Word. So basically what you want to do next is you want to ensure two sites are opened. The number one is going to be chat.openai.com, and the second is going to be your Amazon KDP account. Okay, so as you can see, I have ChatGPT opened and I also have my Amazon KDP account opened. So the next thing after this you want to do is you basically come in over here, and then we're going to start with the title page. Okay, please ensure you're watching this video attentively. Okay, you need to give this video a full concentration so you wouldn't miss any detail. Okay, and if possible you can jot down, so as to remember all I'm going to be saying in this video. Okay, so let's proceed. So the first thing you want to do is you want to copy this ChatGPT for newbies, starting with the title page. Okay, the title itself. So Ctrl+C, and then you come over here to ChatGPT. Okay, Ctrl+V, and then you tell ChatGPT translate, okay, to, and yeah, I forgot to say this. Okay, so you need to decide on which language you actually want to write this book in. As for this tutorial, I'm going to be writing the book in German. Okay, you can write it in whichever language you like to write it in. It could be French, it could be Spanish, whichever, Arabic, whichever language you like to write it in. Okay, and then you come over here and you ask ChatGPT translate, then Ctrl+V, ChatGPT for newbies, to German. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically what ChatGPT for newbies mean in German. So you're basically going to copy this, Ctrl+C, you come over here, Ctrl+V. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically what it means in German. So basically I'm going to be doing this repeatedly for the entire content of this ebook. Okay, so that's basically the idea of this video. Okay, so as you can see, what I'm going to do next right now is to highlight this and then change it to my normal font, which is going to be Arial Black. Okay, and then you want to increase this as well. It's the title page, so I'm just going to increase it to 24 and then make this black. Okay, you want to ensure this is black. So simple. So this is going to be the title, as you can see guys. So you just want to do the same thing for the subtitle over here. All you need to know to get started, Ctrl+C, and then you come back over here and you do Ctrl+V to German. Simple. Okay, as you can see, alles verse say we send. So basically this is it in German. So I'm just going to copy this again, Ctrl+C. all right, and then I come over here, Ctrl+V. okay, so I basically edit this again, change it to the Arial Black, and then I'm going to change this as well. I'm going to make it 14, no, I'm going to make it 11. Okay, and then make this black as well. Good. Then Ctrl+S. So basically guys, this is what I'm going to be doing for the entire ebook. Okay, and then once we're done, we're basically just going to be publishing this on KDP, and then you sell online. Majority of people who's going to buy this book are actually going to be Germans. Okay, so another secret about this is you want to ensure you're writing this in a language where a lot of people actually love to read, a country where they love to read books, KDP books. Okay, so this is actually a bonus tip for you guys. Okay, so you want to search online on countries that actually love to read Amazon KDP books, and then you just want to write your book in their language, because definitely you're gonna sell, because they're actually searching for books in their languages based on things that actually trended, just like ChatGPT. All right, so let's proceed, and then we come into introduction over here. What's introduction in German? Control C. Come over here, Control V in German. Okay, introduction, and then we just copy this. Control C, come over here, Control V. You can see how quick it is, guys. You can see how quick it is. And then we're basically just going to edit this again, and then make this bold, make this black, make this 20. Let's make it 24. Okay, 24 is okay. Control C, Control V, delete this. All right, good. Control S. So we're just going to proceed. Okay, so we're also going to copy this as well. I think that's basically all for the introduction. Then Control C. Okay, that was a mistake. So Control C, and then come over here again, Control V in German. ChatGPT is gonna convert it, no matter how long it's gonna be. As you can see, guys, real time ChatGPT is converting this. So I'm basically just gonna wait for ChatGPT, and then I copy and paste. It's actually so much in the German language. So I'm just gonna copy this real time. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, Control C, come over here, Control V, and then just gonna edit this. You wanna highlight this, and then you wanna come to style over here. You wanna ensure this is normal. Come to black, change this to Arial, and then I'm gonna increase this to 14. And then my spacing, I apply spacing, it's very important. I make my 1.5. Okay, so okay. Okay, so create ebook. When you click on create ebook, and then basically you're just gonna input your title. Okay, your language this time is going to be in German. Okay, so I'm going to change this to German. If you're doing yours in French, whichever language, you just want to pick them over here. So as for today's video, we're doing it in German, so I'm going to click on German. Okay, and then book title is basically going to be German as well. Okay, so I'm basically going to come over here and then just scroll up and then copy this, Ctrl C, and then come over here, Ctrl V, and then come over here as well for subtitle, Ctrl C, and then back over here, Ctrl V. Alright guys, you can see what I'm doing here, sharing that all your inputting is actually in the language. Okay, good. So now basically we're just going to come back here and then copy this as well, Ctrl C, come over here. This is basically for the ChatGPT. Okay, over here. Okay, and then Ctrl V. Good. You can delete this, and then you just want to select this and then black, and then over here you want to ensure this is an Arial, this is in 14. You want to ensure everything you're doing is actually the same, it's consistent. My name as the author. Okay, and then let's see how it goes. ChatGPT is just so good, guys. Okay, as you can see, that's my name over there. Okay, German. Alright, so I'm basically just gonna copy this real quick. Okay, Ctrl C, and then come back over here to my description, Ctrl V. I'm ensuring everything is in German. Okay, I don't want issues from KDP. And then my author name, which is basically just my name. Okay, that's my real name. My last name is spell. And then after this, I own the copyright, and then your keywords. You can actually write this in English. Okay, you can just mix them, whichever. I'm not gonna mix them, I'm just gonna put the normal ChatGPT. There's not much difference though. So ChatGPT. How to make money using chat. Good. So select categories. Okay, this is basically gonna be under computer and the rest. Okay, so I'm just gonna look for something that deals with computing. Okay, computers over here. So I'm just gonna click on general, then computer engineering, then save. Okay, the minimum is gonna be the max. The minimum is gonna be the max as well. All right, I am ready to release my book right now. Okay, and then save and continue. Hope I didn't miss anything though. All right, so done. So guys, while this is actually done now, while you're in this page, you want to go back to Kindle Create. Okay, and then just want to click on Create New. All right, and then while you click on Create New, just want to add the document file. Okay, and then open or choose. Okay, you want to come over here to choose, and then you want to choose file document. Okay, and then basically we're just going to go to documents. That's where the file is, and then we're going to search for chatgpt for beginners. Okay, this is it over here. So we're just going to click on open. All right, so we're gonna wait for it to import every single thing we need. And then one more thing is your cover. Okay, you need to create your ebook cover. Go to canva.com. Okay, it's actually Canva I use in creating my ebook cover. You just want to go to custom. Okay, custom size. Okay, once you go to Canva like this, you're gonna see custom size, so you want to click on custom size. Okay, you want to click on custom size, and then your height should be 1000 and your width should be 625. Okay, so we, as you can see over here, 625 and 1000. Okay, pixels. Okay, so you want to click on this, Ctrl V, although it's going to be long. Yeah, it looks like. Okay, I'm going to copy, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and then I am going to convert these to German as well. okay, and then Amazon will charge 5.99. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is to publish your Kindle ebook, and guys, that brings us to the end. That's basically all you need to do. So that's basically how you can actually use ChatGPT to write ebooks in several language forms, guys. I hope you definitely learned a lot from today's video, and if you surely did and you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as you definitely don't want to miss out on my next upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.